Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Behance with an Adobe ID. This unlocks project publishing and analytics. Once logged in, make sure to pick 1 to 3 strongest projects so your portfolio opens with impact. You will prepare high-resolution images sized between 1,200 and 2,000 pixels and export clean JPG or PNG files. Next, craft short project titles and tag keywords. They drive discovery. Begin the upload immediately to see how layouts render, and adjust image order for visual storytelling before moving on. Once your files are uploaded, structure each project with a clear cover image, process shots, final visuals, and credits. You should write concise descriptions that explain context, your role, and measurable or visual results so viewers understand why it matters. Make sure to add tags, tools used, and the creative field to improve searchability. Use Behance's layout options to arrange images for pacing, alternate full width and grid to maintain interest. Finally, preview on desktop and mobile to confirm spacing and legibility before publishing. You publish when the project looks polished. Check privacy settings to choose public or limited access. After publishing, promote by sharing direct links to social networks, updating your bio, and submitting to relevant galleries or curators to increase exposure. Monitor views and appreciations in the project stats. Iterate on descriptions and tags if engagement is low. If layout breaks or images misalign, re-export at correct resolution, replace media, and clear browser cache, then republish. That troubleshooting step fixes most display issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.